Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Chinese stocks surged on Monday with banks outperforming in Shanghai, as recent economic data offered further signs that Asia's biggest economy is stabilizing, while Japanese stocks rallied as a successful Olympics bid boosted sentiment. There were also strong gains in Japan as data released early Monday showed that the Japanese economy grew much faster in the second quarter than initially estimated. April to June gross domestic product grew a revised 3.8% on an annualized basis compared with last month's preliminary reading of 2.6%. Also in Japan, investors were reacting to the weekend news that Tokyo will host the 2020 Olympics, a decision that benefited the broader market with the Nikkei up 2.2%. Positive economic news from China also offered support to the region. Trade data out over the weekend showed a pickup in exports in August, up 7.2% on year, the latest sign that the world's second-largest economy is recovering from a slowdown early in the year. In addition, data released in the morning showed that Chinese inflation remained subdued, with the consumer price index rising 2.6% on year in August, in line with the median forecast of 11 economies surveyed by Dow Jones. The Chinese data helped the Australian dollar shoot as high as 0.9218 against the US dollar early in the session, compared with 0.9185 late Friday in New York, before moderating to 0.9202. Japanese yen moved toward the 100 mark, last at 99.64 to the dollar, compared with 99.10 late Friday in New York. Monday is a relatively slow day for economic news, although several updates deserve close inspection for assessing the macro trend. For Europe, the Centix Investor Confidence Index is the main event for big picture analysis. EU Centix Investor Confidence Index 8:30 GMT. Today's report from Centix offers numbers for measuring how investors see the near-term outlook for the Eurozone. In last month's update, confidence rose to the highest level in 6 months. Economists project that we'll see more good news in today's September estimate for the Centix Investor Confidence Index. If so, the market will have another reason to think that the hard data releases for August in the weeks to come will continue to support the notion that the tide is turning for the better. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.